Hi guys! 10:52 PM na. Wow, feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? How was your Sunday? And yes, we just, kanina po, we just ended po yung third day no po ng Joey Up Tribe 2025. Yes, a lot of learning, a lot of takeaways, a lot of new experiences. No po, sarap po, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay po na share ni Dato Joey, and of course po, yung mga classmates ko po sa Chimen Club. And in fact, there are a lot po of mga bago pong enrollee sa Chimen. So, I'm looking forward also to be sa ating pong mga club meetings and activities ay makasama ko rin po sila. So, yes, welcome to the Chimen Club. Ayan. Okay, so as we do po, siyempre lagi po natin sinisimulan po yung ating how we assess the day. So tomorrow po, Monday, November 25 is called the Water Snake Enters the Distraction Officer Day. Oh, distraction. Wow, tingnan nga po natin, ano bang meron sa isang distraction day? Anong pwedeng gawin dyan, Kuya Norman? Let's see. Okay, suitable for seek blessings, siyempre naman, discussion, meeting friends, pursuing studies, and purchases, all good for tomorrow. Avoid traveling, going to sea, legal matters, assume a new post, and buying a new car, not recommended. But should you do it, of course, nakaschedule na, advance na po, and all of a sudden, may ganitong information, daily chimen mo yan. Okay. And before that, let's check the animal signs. Rat is average, ox is very good, tiger and rabbit not so good, dragon is average, snake is very good, horse is average, goats not so good, monkey and rooster very good, dog is average, and pig not so good. Hi Kuya Melvin, good evening sa'yo. Lalagyan mo na ba? Pinapalagay natin. Okay, good. But Kuya Melvin, kung may iba pang mapaglalagyan instead dun sa ilalim ng hagdanan, much better po. Much better. So, tayo po yung mag-exchange po ng information. Let's update each other regarding that. Okay. Okay, ito po. So, tomorrow, sa hindi po inaasahang mga pangyayari, kayo po yung magta-travel. Kayo po yung mag-going to see legal matters, assume a new post, and buying a new car. So, hi Ma'am Apple. Thanks for watching. So, let us see. Anong pwedeng gawin sa daily chimen? Okay. Now, we do it. Okay. Daily Chimen, November 25. Oh, sabi dito. Okay. If you want the blessing to come to you for the whole day, flying bird fall into cave, the number 2 most auspicious structure in Chimen, talikod sa southeast. If 1 of 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod ka naman, BFF sa south. If you want to create opportunities with the wisdom and helpful people, and the green dragon returns the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, talikod ka naman sa northwest. Ito gagamitin ko. 7 stars to. Bakit to northwest Starting 11 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. the next day. O buong araw po ito, BFF. Health is wealth. If you're not feeling well, talikod ka naman sa north. Anything to do with finances and divine intervention, talikod ka po sa northeast. Ayan. May divine light po doon, sa backing to northeast. Wow! So there you have it po. So, ang dami pong options tomorrow. If you want a blessing to come to you, talikod ka sa southeast. Green Dragon return, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, nakatalikod ka naman sa northwest. For divine light, nakatalikod ka naman sa northeast. Wow! Yung pa lang po, whole day. So, no pressures po. You can do this po tomorrow. Wow. Okay. Ano naman po yung Norman mga na-pick up mo? Yan doon kay Dato Joey Up. Yung sa 3 days nyo na try. Mahaba. Ipo, let me share you some of those information. Okay. Let us see. Ito po. Let us, ano po yung ating sharing po dyan. So, hindi ko po nabanggit yung day 2. So, ang goal po noong tribe, ang pinagkaiba po kasi ng tribe po, it is more of a strategy po that you will do for the next coming year. Yung FSA po, yung pong feng shui, ano po niya, event every January, it's more po nung Pachi, feng shui. Pero po ito, sa tribe, more on Chimen po. Ang sabi po dito, the 3 goals for the next 3 days of tribe is you launch, you scale, and you impact. So, yun po yung ginamit po niya word. So, where are you? Sabi niya, are you perpetually getting ready? Puro pa paghahanda ka lang? Naka-launch ka na ba? Nag-i-scale ka na ba? I mean, you're already there? Or meron ka ng impact to society? No? Where are you? So, well, you're the one who can answer that. So, ang year of 2025 po is a year of reinvention. You have to reinvent yourself. You have to be a better version of yourself, BFF. And reinvention po means you turn insights into impact. Wow. Insights to impact. That is, yan. So magkaroon ka po dapat ng intuition, no? And what we're doing na yung nakatalikod ka, yung count from 64 to 1, ayun na po yung BFF, no? Manifesting, you are practicing po yung inyong yung inyong mental toughness. Siyempre po naman. And then, there's what we call attunement and desire. So, ang secret ingredient po to thrive is there should be a desire for growth. Wow. Grabe po, no? You have this. And then, may mga bago pong in-introduce how we will do it. And may mga time and dates po. So, God willing, if we had a one-on-one session, my future clients, I'll be able to share this with you. Because we have the app. No po, ito po yung mga dates. So, let me show you. Ayan po. Yes. May mga dates po yan. No po. Hindi po siya hula. Kailangan po may mga basis po, mga dates po yan. Ayan. So, there's a lot of things po from career to business, how you do it. Then, kanina po, day 3, there were a panel of mga Chimen Club classmates ko po who were there at the stage sa 2,000 po na students. Ooh, wow. And it's all about manifesting, no po. Their deity, what's their deity and how they do it, how they manifest. Kung yung bankrupt na po, naka-recover pa. May cancer po, gumaling pa po, divine intervention. Parang may ginawa po sila, hindi po magic. Meron pong gagawin, no po. And napabanggit po lagi doon yung manifest, no po. You count from 64 to 1, sa umpisa, and then you manifest to your deity. Kaya importante po, you know your universal energy. Po kasi meron po kanya-kanya pong, kumbaga po, may kanya-kanya pong tasking sila. So, gaya ko po, moon deity. Ang moon deity po is all about knowledge, about wisdom, about know-how, about knowing po, ganun po. And then, she po is the most powerful deity, is granting only the mga good things po. Yung Phoenix deity po is about communication. Yun naman pong tortoise deity, or this how we classify po yung universal energy that's already within you. It is more of influencing people. So, ang dami po. There are 10 deities po that you can access. At meron po dong naka-assign sa'yo at may dumadalaw po sa'yo yearly. Wow! So, meron din po dito sa career. Ang ganda po, And, yun nga po, the tribe po ended po with how, of course, meron din po tungkol sa health. Ano po ba yung mga dapat mong iwasan if yung health palace mo po falls in a certain sector? Like if your health palace po fall on a northwest sector, it's about stress. Pag nag-fall naman po sa south, it's about water. That south is with water, the grass star. It's about colds, flu, and pneumonia. Mga ganyan po, wow. So, ang ganda po. There are also good days for activating your intuition. But syempre po, sino pa tatalo sa atin? No po, kayo po dyan, BFF, who's doing this almost daily. Wow. Let's do it. And then, of course, yung mga nabanggit po dito, we will tailor fit it, hihimay-himay natin in the days to come. Para po when February 4, the official, actually February 3, the official Wood Snake year, yes, we are very much ready and we know what to do and we get what we want with flying colors. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the ability, for the being able to share po. Thank you so much. Our exchange of energies is like and share. Importante po, maybe somewhere out there will be needing these kinds of information. Again, BFF, let's continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. With a grateful heart, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Happy Monday, BFF. Thank you. Bye-bye.